Best Care, securing your best life yet. Hurricane Ian hit Naples, Southwest Florida. Hard. We have expanded our services to help you during this time. If you need landscaping, tree trimming or removal, plumbing, roofing, electrical, demolition, or general handyman, we have licensed and insured contractors ready to help. The storm is over. Are you ready to get back to normal? To get started, email info@multiservicebusinessnetwork.com or go to www.athomebestcare.com or phone 407-955-3534 or 773-372-9656.